Good day, everyone. I'm pretty sure we are all familiar with what is this, right? I mean, who isn't? This is a Rubik's Cube, one of the world's most famous puzzles. 5 years ago was the first time I had ever solved a Rubik's Cube. It wasn't easy at first. I can't even remember how many times I failed in trying to solve one. After many attempts, I was about to give up and lose hope. I wanted to just let it be. Let it remain unsolved. I don't want to solve this anymore. It seems impossible. I always fail in solving this. Those were the things I said to myself. But then there was this voice that kept on whispering. Don't give up. Don't lose hope. Believe in yourself. You can do this. So I spent countless of hours in trying to solve a Rubik's Cube, determined to finally get it. Until one day, I finally solved it. I went from not solving a Rubik's Cube to solving it under 35 seconds. That's why I am standing here in front of you today, to share with you a valuable lesson I learned in my Rubik's Cube journey. Let's face it, most of us have experienced failure in some point in our lives. Failing a test, failing a job interview, failing to achieve a goal or a dream. And then, when that happens, it's easy for us to feel discouraged and think about giving up. But here's what I've learned. Failure is part of succeeding. As Arianna Huffington once said, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. A small failure should not discourage us from reaching our goals. Instead, it should serve as a driving force to keep on going. Through failure, we learn, we get back up, we try and try, we keep on moving forward until we succeed. If I had given up in solving a Rubik's Cube, who knows what I was truly capable of? The same thing applies in our lives. Whenever you face with a failure, don't give up. Believe in yourself, keep on going, and remember, even when something seems impossible, with effort and persistence, you can truly make it happen. That's all. Thank you.